Hi guys, welcome to the add-ons. In this video, I'll show you how to create an image picker field in your Elementor form, a visual way for users to select options using pictures instead of regular radio buttons or checkboxes. Let's get started. First, open your page with Elementor Editor. Drag the form widget into your layout. Now we'll add a new field. This will become our image picker. Change the type to image picker. Rename the label to something like Pick Your Product. Next, set the type to either radio and select if users should pick only one image, or checkbox if multiple images can be selected. For this example, I'll keep it as radio. Now let's add our image options. Click Add Option and fill in the details. Label apple. Value fruit apple. Image, choose or upload your image. Repeat the same steps for orange, durian, and kiwi. Once done, click Preview. You'll see the form now displays for images apple, orange, durian, and kiwi. When you click an image, it becomes highlighted with a check mark showing that it's selected. Let's make it look even better. Under the Style section, you can adjust Default. Let's use set which option is selected by default. Theme. Choose a visual style for your image picker. For example, Luna create modern box style with text and highlight border. Control how many items displays per row on different devices. For example, 4 columns on desktop, 3 on tablet, and 2 on mobile. Click Preview it. You can see that the Apple option is chosen by default. That's because we set it as the default selection in the Style section. And that's it! You've just created a visual image picker inside Elementor form. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.